Hello and welcome to Real Easy English, the podcast where we have real conversations in easy English to help you learn. I'm Georgie.
And I'm Beth.
Hi, Beth. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you. Today we're talking about relationships and particularly romantic relationships. So, Beth, personal question, are you in a relationship at the moment?
I am, yes. I'm married, so I'm definitely in a relationship. What about you?
I am not in a relationship. I am single, married. So, how did you meet your partner?
Well, I met my husband at work in a previous job. We both worked there and we were friends. And then, it kind of went from there. And then he was my boyfriend, and now he's my husband.
Nice. It's quite common to meet your partner at work, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. And quite a few of my friends have met their partners at work as well. So you're single, Georgie. Do you like to go on dates?
Good question. Sometimes I like going on dates, sometimes I don't. In general, I just really like meeting people, so for me it's quite a nice way to meet people when you live in a city. But sometimes if you don't get on with the person, it can be really awkward and uncomfortable.
Yeah, and I can imagine that you end up just asking the same questions to people.
Yes, you're right. Sometimes it can feel a bit like an interview. You're just asking, so what do you do? And do you have any siblings? And things like that. It can be quite boring. But if you think of some more interesting questions, it can be more exciting.
Yeah, so what do you like to do on dates? Do you go out for a meal or something like that?
Usually I go for a drink with the person, but this year it's actually my New Year's resolution to do more activity dates. So more fun things like playing pool or playing mini golf or something like that. Going for a walk, going for a coffee, just something different. I think it will be more interesting for me.
Yeah. When I dated, I went to a museum on a first date, to the Science Museum in London. And that was really fun because it also gives you something to talk about because you've got funny things to look at and stuff.
That's very true. And also, I feel like you're not always face to face with the person. It doesn't feel as intense, maybe. You can have more silences.
Yeah, that's true. Otherwise, it can be a bit awkward.
Yes.
So, Georgie, have any of your dates gone really well?
Yes, actually, last year I had a date that went well and we started seeing each other and we went on multiple dates.
Okay, so if you are seeing someone, then it's less serious than being in a relationship. They're not quite your boyfriend or girlfriend, but you see this person quite a few times and you're in the early stages, maybe, of a relationship.
Exactly. So how long have you been married?
I've been married almost 2 years, so we got engaged probably about 3 years ago.
And how did he propose?
Well, actually, he pretended that he had got me some earrings, and when I opened the box, they weren't earrings at all, it was a ring.
Were you surprised?
I was very surprised, yeah, and I never got my earrings.
Oh no, maybe I'll get you some earrings.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, Beth, let's recap the vocabulary we heard during the conversation.
We had date, a romantic activity you do with someone.
We had boyfriend and girlfriend, your romantic partner.
If you are seeing someone, then you are in the early stages of a romantic relationship with someone.
If you propose, you ask someone to marry you.
And if you're single, then you're not married or in a romantic relationship.
And that's it for this episode of Real Easy English.
And next week, we'll talk about money.
See you then.
Bye.